Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be doing 2.2, talking about angle bisector, which means our goal today, our objective is going to bisect an angle. Go figure. We are going to have a vocabulary word. Here it is. Please write this one down. Yes, please also draw that picture. I would like you to draw that picture down there as well. It says, an angle bisector is a ray that divides an angle into two congruent angles. It says JK bisects angle LJM, which means angle LJK is congruent to angle KJM. That bisector is just like our segment bisectors. It just cuts it right in half. It divides it right in two perfect angles, meaning that if this was LJK, is 43 degrees, then KJM is also going to be 43 degrees. Cuts it right in half. So, let's get to a couple of problems. Please write this down, and I'll go through it. It says, ray BD bisects angle CBA. Find the measure of DBC and the measure of ABC. Then determine whether angle ABC is acute, right, obtuse, or straight. So there's a couple steps that we have to take here. Okay, this very first one, you can just follow along here. This very first one, the key word here is going to be bisects. Bisects is the big word because that tells me that the angle is cut into halves. It's cut perfectly in halves. So I know what ABD is. Well, because BD is my bisector, I also know what DBC is. It is also 65 degrees because BD, this ray right here, is an angle bisector. Cuts it right in half. Alright, so now that I know ABD and I know DBC, I can find angle ABC, which means the entire angle, this big angle right there, going from all the way around, is going to be 65 plus 65, which is going to be 130 degrees. Okay, we add both of those together. Now, so that means angle DBC is equal to, not P, that is a D. Angle DBC is 65 degrees. Angle ABC is equal to 130 degrees. Okay, what that also tells me, ABC, what type of angle is it? It is going to be greater than 90, which means it is obtuse. Obtuse angle. Okay, greater than 90. Excellent. Let's try another one. Okay, we have BD bisects ABC, and the measure of ABC, the entire measure is going to be 58 degrees. Find measure of ABD and the measure of DBC. I want you to try this. Make sure you write it down. See if you come up with the right answer. Alright, so BD, ray BD, bisects the entire angle, which means ABD and DBC, they're going to be the exact same angle. They're the exact same measure. So, if this entire angle, I'm going to put this in red, is 58 degrees, we need half on one side, half on the other. So if we divide 58 by 2, ABD is going to be 29 degrees, and DBC is the exact same of 29 degrees. So ABD, angle ABD, don't forget that angle symbol is 29 degrees. Don't forget the degree symbol. And angle DBC is going to be equal to 29 degrees. Very nice. They're the exact same measure. Last one. We have this last one. I want you to try this one on your own. It says KM bisects JKL. The measure of JKM is 4x plus 6. And that's a degree symbol on the outside, not to the power of 0. It's a degree symbol. And the measure of angle MKL is equal to 7x minus 12. Again, with the degree symbol on the outside. It says find the measure of JKM. I want you to give this one a shot. Make sure you are finding what they're asking for, finding the measure of JKM. Try this now. All right, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this drawing and I'm going to plug in what I know. JKM is 4x plus 6, so I know that this is 4x plus 6. And MKL, I know that is going to be 7x minus 12. Now, looking back in my information, it gives me a very key word of bisects. That word bisect tells me exactly what I need to know to solve this problem. It tells me that JKM and MKL are the exact same measure. Okay, so we are looking at angle JKM is equal to or congruent to MKL, angle MKL. So when we do that, plug in what we know. 4x plus 6 is equal to 7x minus 12. From here, we are just going to solve for x. Okay, solving for x, I need to get my variables on one side, I need to get my numbers on the other. All right, so I'm going to bring my variables over. And I have 3x on this left side. Still 6 still is over here, minus 12. I'm going to bring my 12 back over, add it. Why do I add it? Because it needs the opposite operation. So now on the left side I have 18 is equal to 3x. In order for me to get that 3 out of the way, I need to divide, because 3x is multiplying. My answer, 18 divided by 3, is 6. Now, my question to you is, did I answer the question? No, I didn't answer the question. I haven't answered it yet. Okay, I still need to find JKM. So by doing that, I know JKM is 4x plus 6. Now, I know JKM is 4x plus 6 when x equals 6. I can take this right here, this 6, and plug it in for my x. Alright, so let's do that. So I have 4, I know I have 4x plus 6, and I have, when x equals 6, plugging that 6 in, I have 4 times 6 plus 6, 24 plus 6. My answer is 30. Now, am I done? Still not done, because it is not just 30, it is 30 degrees. Don't forget, you are finding angle measures. So you need your degree symbol. That is your label on angle measures, is your degree symbol. Just like inches squared, feet squared, and yard squared is for area, that degree symbol is for your angles. Okay? If you do not have that degree symbol, it is incorrect. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. I want you to now take the time, look back at your notes. If you need to review, go back and review this a little bit. If you have any questions, bring it to me tomorrow, and we'll cover it. Have a good day.